What's up guys? Today's video is about buying the right chair mat for carpet, because if you don't, you could find yourself in this situation. Check this out. Come on guys, move it. Move, come on. What's the problem?
Are you serious?
Alright guys, so you saw how hard it is to move around on this floor mat, and that's because it is so flimsy and thin. You can see how thin it is right here, and something like this is definitely not going to work on your carpet, especially a carpet like ours, because we have this really plush carpet. Alright guys, now I'm going to show you the chair mat that you want right now, and that is this one right here. This thing is insane. It is super thick. As you can see, it's about 0.2 inches thick. I personally have the 30 by 47 inch version right here. This is the exact size we need, and I actually have been testing this with my son because I like to make sure things work before I show it to you guys. And to prove that, you can check out the back of this thing. Look at this. It's been used for a while, but I wanted to make sure it was good, of course, like I was just mentioning. So let's put this on the ground, and you can see how awesome this is for carpet compared to a thin one. So the one I was showing you before, that was one that we had gotten for hardwoods, and we were just trying to use it on carpet without buying a new one, but obviously that didn't work out. But now we have the right one, so let me show you how awesome this one is. Okay guys, so with this one, you can see my son is able to move back and forth really easily, even on our super plush carpet. And yes, this one is clear as well, so let's go ahead and peel off that white plastic coating that's on it right now.
Satisfying.
And here comes the other side. Nice, good work guys, good work. It looks like glass, doesn't it? Go stand on the other side. That is super clear, guys. All right, guys, so you can see this thing comes looking really good. This is how it looks even after we've been using it for a while. So we're definitely happy with this chair mat. It is super crystal clear. So what's nice is if you have something on the floor or some type of pattern on the floor, you will be able to see through it. It's basically like a thick piece of plexiglass. All right, so you can see what the chair mat looks like on the carpet. You can see how easy my son can move around on it. What's awesome about it is that it's super clear, so you can see the carpet really easily through it. And I think my son is pretty happy with it. What do you think about it, Ace?
I give it a thumbs up. I definitely recommend it.
You definitely recommend it?
Yeah.
All right, Ace, what do you think about this one compared to the thin one we used to have in your room?
I definitely recommend this a lot more. This is because it's actually a lot thicker, and it's a lot easier to roll around. So yeah.
All right, guys, we're going to have links down to the actual chair mat we showed you in this video. If you use the links, we do get a few pennies on the dollar, but we greatly appreciate it. Please like and subscribe and comment down below with any questions you have, because we'd love to help you out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day. Peace.
You're going off the mat the wrong way.
That's a big fail.